The White House is one of the most recognizable buildings in the world. But did you know it was once reduced to ashes by fire? This is the incredible story of how America's most famous home survived war, destruction, and more than 230 years of history. Construction of the White House began in 1792 after President George Washington approved the project for the new nation's capital. The building was designed by Irish-born architect James Hoban in a graceful neoclassical style. Thousands of skilled workers and craftsmen helped bring the vision to life. Although George Washington oversaw the project, he never lived there. In 1800, John Adams became the first president of the United States to move into the newly completed White House. Everything changed in 1814 during the War of 1812. British troops marched into Washington, D.C., and set the White House on fire. The flames destroyed much of the interior, leaving only parts of the exterior walls standing. Instead of abandoning the building, the United States rebuilt it. James Hoban returned to lead the reconstruction, restoring the White House while preserving its original design. Over the following decades, new wings, modern technology, and stronger security systems were added. Today, the White House contains 132 rooms, 35 bathrooms, 6 floors, and serves as both the home and workplace of the President of the United States. Behind its historic walls are meeting rooms, offices, and facilities that support the daily work of the presidency. After surviving fire, war, and more than 2 centuries of change, the White House remains a powerful symbol of American history, democracy, and resilience. If you enjoyed this short documentary, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more fascinating stories from around the world.